and prayed some more. Having completed her degree in Student and Family Ministry at Harding University, along with an internship at a church in North Carolina, she was ready for full-time ministry. Sourcing her God-given faith and the wisdom of her father, Tom, she considered where God wanted her to live out the obedience to his call. She believed one of 5 cities were possible. After time for discernment and consultation with her parents, she sensed that she was being called here to Dallas, a place she'd never lived before. Once in Dallas, she spent time searching for a position that would allow the full use of her gifts to minister to others. By January of 2008, her desire to work in a church environment was so strong that she interviewed for and was hired as Highland Oaks front desk substitute, a glamorous position. By March, she landed the position full-time, and here are just a few things that some of her teammates said about her during that time. You have an amazing set of gifts. Your warmth, friendliness, outgoing personality, and sweet voice on the phone encompasses the package we need at the front desk. And on top of that, your ministry experience provides a depth not often seen in one so young. Your creative gifts and love of learning are unexpected bonuses, which is why I often see ministers at your desk looking for assistance. In her free time, she pursues a career in photography. Her recognized creativity caused us to approach her in July of 2008 to see if she would consider learning graphic design to lessen our costs while continuing our tradition of outstanding graphics for all of our ministries and needs. Her raw talent, creativity, and on-the-job training have her creating many of the graphics that you see here on our campus and on our website. Soon after that, she was promoted to the role of administrative assistant to the children and student ministers. In the summer of 2009, without a student minister on staff, she took the lead in the planning, organization, and implementation of student ministry activities that were also carried out by student ministry parents. When Mark Hedley came on staff last fall, he quickly saw the potential in her, a ministry-trained, highly relational, extremely competent young woman. Under his direction, she began to assume more ministry responsibilities, including teaching middle school on Sunday morning and in Plano, and helping with Truth Group effort. In January of 2010, her role changed once more to student ministry director with appropriate duties and responsibilities. Many of you know exactly who I'm speaking of. I'm speaking of Betsy Stratton. Betsy, would you please come to the stage, please?